What's the color for me? Okay. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Stick around, girl, become a part of the fam. And my name is Kimberly. I do a lot of like beauty, lifestyle, all kinds of videos on this channel, girl, okay? So if you're into stuff like that, then definitely hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. To my returning subscribers, hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is this hair that I'm wearing. I did a quick little install and review for y'all, and this is like a closure wig. So if y'all want to see, you know, the details and how I got this hair done, then keep on watching. Guys, so today's video is in collaboration with Yolissa Hair. They sent over to me a 5x5 closure wig. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I'm gonna show you how to install and like lay a closure wig so it looks like a frontal, girl. Like, it's not gonna look like a closure. This is a 24-inch wig and it is in the color P4 613. I feel like the color looks super good and I'm just like excited to do it. I'm glad that it's a number 4 color and just like not jet black with like 613 highlights, so it'll go really good with my skin tone. This is the inside. You have your 5x5 closure, you have the combs, and you have the elastic band. The hair feels pretty nice. It is straight hair, so I think for the most part I'll keep it like straight down the middle because it is a closure, so we're gonna do it down the middle. And yeah, let's get into it. This will be super quick, super easy, so just like keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe, okay? And the cap is super big head friendly. I have room. I don't know what size cap this is, but it has a good amount of room, so if you have a big head, you're good to go. Like, there's a lot of space in it. I'm gonna tighten my straps as much as possible. And guys, to prep my skin, I'm just cleaning it off with some alcohol, regular plain alcohol. Whatever percentage you have is fine. And I'm going to use my Bold Hold skin protectant just to add to that, and then we're gonna install. I'm using this Ebin spray. This has been like my favorite spray right now. The Ebin Wonderlace Adhesive Extreme Firm Hold. I like the red can because it's not as sticky as the yellow can. I'll let it dry. Then after it dries, I like to do it a second time. I don't know if it does anything special, but I feel like it makes my hair stay longer. This hair is very different for me. I don't think I've ever had a wig this color at all, so this looks very interesting. I'm going to hot comb my hair, go in with like 2 layers of this, and yeah, then we're gonna style. Guys, when I'm doing like a closure, I love to part out the front of the entire like closure itself, and then I'm just gonna hot comb these to the front and then hot comb the hair back, pluck the areas in the back that I want to pluck, and then we'll do the baby hairs. I find when I do that, it just gives it like a way better look. And we're gonna fix the part because I feel like the parting isn't giving right now, but I'm gonna fix the part soon. But we're just parting out like the very front because we're gonna use that to make our closure look very much frontal. I'm gonna use the Fit Me powder on the parting space just to make it look more realistic. The lace I noticed is a little bit darker than me, but I will put my makeup there, and I feel like once I straighten it and do my makeup, everything will just be perfect.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah.
This is a finished look. My thoughts on this hair. So I love the color. That's like my favorite part of this hair. My only like major con is that the wig was bigger than my head. I wish I had gotten it in a smaller size because it's like a lot of room on my head, okay? I feel like because it's a closure, I wish it had fit a little bit more snug. I have a lot of space in the back, but it's okay. I made it work as best as possible. I feel like if it didn't have like the extra space, it would have laid even more like flat, but I love the hair. It's not tangly at all. The hair is a little dry. It don't look dry on here at all, but like I feel like it's maybe like a little bit dry. Maybe I'm exaggerating, I don't know, because now my hand is running through, because earlier I'm like, why does it look dry? But once I brushed it out, it wasn't like looking dry. As y'all can see, this is what it's looking like. But I love the color, love the length. The density is a win because it's 180%, so it's really thick. I love that they did not cheat me on the density, so I'm super happy with that, because companies be telling you it's this amount and the hair is still just like thin, but this is like really thick and it's full from the root to the tip. yeah, I think that's all there is to say about this hair. If y'all like this hair, then be sure to check out the description box down below. Shout outs to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time, please feel free to subscribe before you leave. Please like this video and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.